Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6. As you can see, I have the box right here in front of me. Let's take a closer look. The Apple Watch Series 6 comes with a host of features, including fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and even the ability to make phone calls and send messages without having to take out your phone. Let's see what's inside. The Apple Watch Series 6 40mm comes in a rectangular box with the image of the watch on the front and the Apple logo on the back. Lift off the lid of the box, and you'll see the Apple Watch Series 6 on top, securely nestled in a foam insert. We have some documentation, including a quick start guide and some warranty information. We also have the charging cable, which is included in the box. This makes it easy to charge your watch at home or on the go. And that's it for the unboxing. I'm so excited to start using my new Apple Watch Series 6 40mm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.